Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a username for your Facebook like page on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Facebook account and a like page. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to facebook.com/ the name of your Facebook like page. In this case, we are talking computer science videos. I have a shortcut on the toolbar list on screen, so that directly takes us to computer science videos. And now to create a username, create at username, click on this link, and then we are presented with a new pop-up window that says it's easier for people to find your page in search when it has a unique name. Pages with usernames can also create custom URLs that people quickly visit and message them. So, as we are computer science videos, let's just see if that name is available. Go to username, type in computer science videos, and as we can see, the username is not available. We may have to now enter another username, a new username. Click on the username. Let's just say the computer science videos. Is it available? Yes, it is. Create the username. Creating username. Let's just wait for that to load. Done. You're all set. The username, the computer science videos, has been created for computer science videos. And this will be the URL, the computer science video, so people can then search for us, see us, click a link that will take them to our page. So that's done. If we Command R to refresh, if we click on the Facebook link, it takes us to our like page, so we can now quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.